Hello, I'm Anna from Market Life, and welcome to the free video for October 1st, 2020. This is first day of the month, first day of the quarter. Thought we'd take a minute here and look at the broad market. Now, we had a little bit of a failure yesterday. If you look in yesterday, I mean on the 30th. So that is this bar here. You can see not a kind of an average range, maybe a little bit on the big side, and open and closed in the middle. So it's basically a wide range doji would be the way that I would think about it. It's just a day that shows indecision, shows testing on both sides, shows failure on both sides. Now, the key takeaway here is that not all failures are equal. This is a failure. It's an upside and a downside failure. But it's not the kind of failure that changes the big technical picture. And that big picture technical perspective is still bullish. We are still watching this complex bull flag here on the daily chart. And as I've said before, it's probably not the cleanest, best example of a bull flag, but we've broken this trend line, and it's not at all uncommon to see a breakout of a flag and then see a little bit of a pause. It's actually something I've called a nested flag. I don't love the terminology, but what it means is when you have the breakout of a bigger picture pattern that then has a small pause, many times that is actually storing up energy to get an even better resolution of the pattern. So there's nothing here that moves us away from long positions, and we're still where we were a couple days ago. We want to buy the strongest stocks. We want to buy the best setups. This is a case where we want to buy breakouts. We want to buy turns out of flags. We want to buy turns out of small consolidation areas. Now, of course, we may be looking at this from several weeks down the road, and it may turn out to be a really bad call. Every time you go into the market, there's a chance you're wrong, and that's why we use stops. And if we are wrong, then we'll look at next steps, which might very well be setting up shorts. But for now, everything looks very bullish. You can go to marketlife.com, see our entire small cap setup list there, everything we're watching. Also, some of the setups that we've talked about in recent days have not triggered yet or could support secondary entries. So lots of possibilities out there, lots of opportunity, and let's see how this market develops over the next few days. If these videos are helpful, subscribe to the channel, give us a like on the video, and we will see you back tomorrow for another video. Thank you very much.